In this video, we're going to cover Katana's QuickBooks integration. The Katana QuickBooks integration can be found in the settings screen here in the integrations menu, right here where you have a nice green button to connect. Now, what does this integration do and who is it for? If you have QuickBooks Online as your main accounting tool, then what this integration allows you to do is to connect Katana directly to QuickBooks. And once your connection is completed, you can then generate invoices off of any sales orders that are created here on your sales screen. You can also create bills off of your purchase screen for any of your purchased items, and this also is supported for outsourced purchase orders. Through the course of these videos, we're going to do a general overview of how data is structured, meaning how does information flow from Katana into QuickBooks and vice versa. We'll also cover the two use cases that are supported with this integration, which is simple accounting and also accounting with inventory, meaning simple accounting is your business is only tracking revenue and expenses, but with inventory, you have a cost of goods sold, meaning that Katana will enable you to map directly to your cost of goods sold expense account, and during the workflow that you're doing within the application, completing a sales order, inventory value would drop within your QuickBooks account, but it would be added directly to your cost of goods sold expense account. Lastly, we'll show you the workflow, and then you should be all set up for success in using this integration with Katana. Good luck and enjoy.